cooling down enthusiasm. Understanding, throw cold water on. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, throw cold water on. This phrase is rich in imagery but can be a bit confusing for English language learners. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master this expression. Whether you're writing, speaking, or just trying to enhance your English understanding, knowing idioms like this one can be incredibly useful. Let's get started. To throw cold water on something is a figurative expression that means to discourage, dampen enthusiasm, or diminish interest in an idea, plan, or project. The imagery here is quite vivid. Think about how a splash of cold water can literally cool you down or dampen your spirits. This idiom captures that feeling but applies it to situations where someone's excitement or eagerness is being cooled or calmed, usually by another person's skepticism or criticism. While the exact origin of the phrase, throw cold water on, is not clear, it's believed to have been in use since at least the 19th century. The concept is simple and universal. Just as cold water can extinguish a fire or cool down something hot, critical or negative comments can quickly dampen someone's enthusiasm or plans. Using throw cold water on correctly can add depth to your conversations and writings. Here are a few examples. Just when I thought we were about to finalize the plans, John threw cold water on our project by highlighting the budget constraints. I was excited about moving to the city, but my parents threw cold water on the idea, citing safety concerns. Her mentor threw cold water on her plans to quit her job and travel the world, reminding her of her financial obligations. In these examples, the phrase is used to convey a sense of discouragement or a reality check that cools down the initial enthusiasm. For English language learners, mastering idioms like throw cold water on can be challenging but rewarding. Here are a few tips. Context is key. Pay attention to the situation in which the idiom is used to understand its meaning better. Practice makes perfect. Try using the idiom in your conversations or writings to get comfortable with it. Don't take it literally. Remember, idioms often cannot be understood just by looking at the individual words. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the idiom, throw cold water on. Idioms like these can make English a fun and colorful language to learn and use. Keep practicing, and don't let anyone throw cold water on your efforts to improve your English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.